Hey guys, today in my video I wanted to talk to you about why you might not be getting any sales with your Motor Club of America business. And if you hear a bunch of clicking here in the background, that's my son. He's beside me and he's playing with the locks in my car. But one of the biggest mistakes I see people see in their business, whether it is with Motor Club of America or with It Works or any type of business, is that people make it about themselves. They are all about getting the sale, making that money, right? But let me tell you a secret. It's not about you. It is always about them. If you talk to somebody about your business and you're making it all about yourself, you're going to turn them off. If you're making it all about how to get that sale, how they can make you money, you're going to turn them off and they're going to run. They're not going to want to give you their money. But if you come to somebody or they come to you, because that's how I run my business, people come to me, I don't go to them, okay? And you make it about them. If you tell people how it can change their lives, because MCA can truly change people's lives. If you make it about them, you're going to see your sales go up, okay? They are definitely going to increase because people are naturally selfish by nature, right? And they're joining because obviously they need help with something financially or they want time freedom or whatever. So they're not joining to help you make money. They're joining because they need this opportunity. So when you can tell somebody about how this Motor Club of America opportunity can help them, then your sales are going to increase. Make it about other people. Help other people, guys. No matter what business you're in, okay? We have such an amazing opportunity to offer that literally it changes people's lives. And so that's how you need to be presenting this opportunity, is how it can change people's lives, their lives, okay? How it can change the lives of everybody around, okay? So please remember that. If you start putting people before you, if you start talking about them and their needs, they're going to feel more comfortable, they're going to feel more confident, and they're going to want to join you because they're going to see that you can help them and you are here to help them, just like I am here to help you. So if you do want to join Motor Club of America, please, I would love to help get you started. I offer free training. I am here for you every step of the way, whatever questions you need, because MCA can truly change your life. It really can. If you just take that step and you follow the training that I will give you, and you take that initiative and become the boss of your life, then you will see your life transform. So guys, I ask that you subscribe to my channel and please share this with others so that way you can help others that are in need of this opportunity. Because truly people want to work from home. Truly people need to make more money. They want to be with their family. They're needing time freedom. They're needing this debt paid off. And whatever the reason may be, MCA can provide that. It can provide it for you, and it can provide it for anybody who so takes a chance and really steps forward and puts their all into this business. So guys, thank you so much for listening. I hope you got value out of this. I ask again that you subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos for others who need it. Comment below. I love the interaction. And if you do want to get started with me so that way I can help you get going and help you get that time freedom that you crave, go ahead and click the link below my video and send me an email that you've signed up. Or you can follow me on Facebook and message me via Messenger. Either way, I will talk to you soon.